Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Dodge Charger dashboard. Begin by disconnecting the battery and remove trim panels gently to avoid breaking clips. Label each plug and screw as you go so reassembly is painless. Keep a camera nearby to photograph connections for reference later. Take your time with airbag and electrical connectors and follow torque specs when tightening fasteners for a secure, professional finish. In this video, I will show how to replace Dodge Charger dashboard. Start removing panels in a logical order, keeping parts labeled and sorted by location. Use trim tools to pry panels to prevent scratches and keep fasteners in clearly marked containers. When unbolting the dash, have an assistant help with weight and alignment to avoid bending brackets. Inspect wiring and connectors for wear while the dash is removed for future reliability. In this video, I will show how to replace Dodge Charger dashboard. Position the new dash carefully and reconnect all harnesses loosely at first so you can make adjustments. Test lights, HVAC, and gauges before final torque to avoid rework later. Tighten fasteners progressively and check panel gaps for even fitment. Finish by reconnecting the battery and performing a final systems check to confirm everything functions as expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.